So my damn truck broke down like a month and a half ago now, so that's the main reason I haven't been posting any videos or anything. But yesterday I just bought this truck. It took forever to find a good truck for a decent price, and I had to get a loan. Luckily I was able to get a loan off of someone I know. It pretty much saved my life at this point. So still have this one. It has the motor's pretty much blown. That's what my mechanic told me. And my phone ran out of space again, stopped recording. So the motor is blown. It's not getting any oil pressure, so I said it's most likely some clearance issues inside the motor. And before that it was having lots of problems, like there's a couple knocks, or there's a knock, there's a couple misfires on 2 different cylinders. I think there was low compression. It's just a bunch of stuff wrong with it. And then the frame is rusted out in a couple spots. There's an actual hole right in the frame. So, and the transmission was slipping before that, actually. Here and there it would slip, so it wasn't worth fixing. At this point I think it's just either a parts truck or, well, parts truck and scrap. So I think I'm going to pull some parts off of it and then scrap it. But we'll see what happens. It will still start, like the truck starts, but it just gets no oil pressure whatsoever, so it's like runs really. My phone keeps filling up, like all the space is full, so it stops recording. So the next morning I'm at the shop here, have some scrap in here. The shop's been filling up, so I'll go ahead and get rid of as much of this as possible. Gotta tear this air conditioner and this coil pack apart. Gotta get rid of this big ass TV. Someone dropped it off to my donation bin. And this is all of the steel that's been coming off of the motors that I've been taking apart. There's a bunch of the motors right there. Still have all those spa pumps to take apart. And I got like 5 or 6 more. That's all the stuff that's been taken apart already. Some of the copper. So doing a little bit at a time. One of the bins of the ends, cast aluminum ends. So gonna load all this up into the truck. Go drop it off to the scrapyard, and then come back here and start doing more work on separating out some of those motors, I think. So it's been a while. I had my buddy's car for a lot of the time that my truck was broken down, so I was still able to drive at least, but I still couldn't really move anything. So we got a bunch of metal here. I think I got a little bit of metal here to move, and then at my buddy's house we got a whole bunch of metal that's just been piling up since pretty much the beginning of winter. So spring looks like it's here, so it's about time to start moving it all. I guess at his place we might have to wait for the ground to dry up a bit because it's so wet and mucky and dirty back there. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated. So here's the first load of scrap that I've ever done in this truck. It came with this tonneau cover thing. I don't like it, but at least it protects the window. So I'm going to use that for this load. Hopefully today or tomorrow I can get the back rack switched over from my other truck onto this one. I need to have a full rack for sure. I feel like you can't carry as much without it. So I'll give you a quick shot of the receipt so you can see how much all this weighs. Heavier than it looks because there's a lot of these pieces of motors and stuff. There's a lot of heavy steel. Decent amount of it's clean prices between shred and dealer clippings was like $10 difference before, so I'll update you in a bit. So 1,160 pounds, 190 a ton on shred. Definitely can't complain on that. And when I first went in, I first pulled into the scale. I went inside, asked the guy how much he was paying for shred, and he said to me he doesn't want to get into that with me. He'll ask the other guy when I get back in from emptying the truck. That's because I'm always complaining and bitching at them when they try to tell me it's less price. So there's been like 10 times where I've got into arguments, and they almost kicked me out one time. They told me like not to come back, and I was like, are you serious? Like, you're not actually gonna allow me to come back? And the guy's like, well, yeah, you can come back, but so it's always something with these guys complaining back and forth. So I guess complaining does help sometimes, because they pay me better than door prices, as they call it. So like they used to give me dealer pricing, and then all of a sudden one of the owners was there or some shit, and he started freaking out, and I was freaking out back at him, and it turned out he was the owner. And then he said that from now on they can't pay me dealer pricing, but they'll pay me in between dealer pricing and door pricing. So the dealer price is normally like 20 or 30 bucks more a ton. So typically I'll get like $10 or $10 to $20 more a ton than door price. So, can't complain. Thanks for watching. We'll have a bunch more videos coming up soon, because I've had a lot of videos that I've taken over the last like 2 months since my truck's been broken down, but I just haven't got around to posting anything, I guess, because I've just been bummed out and stressed out trying to deal with getting a truck. So finally back on the road. I'm gonna upload all these old videos I got and start filming like every day. Film what I do every day. So thanks for watching, and I'll have some more videos up soon. Fancy new truck has a transmission temperature gauge. It's the highest it's gotten to, 65. I'm not even sure what it's supposed to be at, or what is like a danger level to stop at. So if you know anything about this, definitely let me know, because I pretty much have no idea how to use like any of this fancy stuff in this truck. Anyways, peace out. See you next time.